Well, my friends, this is a case of hoarseness. This is a case of hoarseness. This gentleman, by profession a tailor, age about 57 years, has been suffering from hoarseness for last 4 months, for which he had taken a large number of antibiotic and other modes of allopathic treatment from the Department of Chittaranjan Cancer Hospital. It has been diagnosed as lymphoproliferative disorder. He had taken medicines for a large number of days from those hospitals, and many investigations have already done. They have diagnosed non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. However, the patient has come to me and brought by our homeopathic physician, Dr. Dec-2 Hoarseness. Now, what will be our aim of treatment or diagnosis of medicine? So you know the hoarseness is a condition. Hoarseness is a condition that causes the voice to sound strained, raspy, or breathy, or to be lower in pitch or softer in volume. So it may be caused, hoarseness may be caused from different sources, different agents, misuse of voice, overuse of voice, as the public speakers, found in public speakers, in singers. It may cause due to virus infection. It may cause due to vocal cord growth like polyp, nodules, or papillomas. It may also cause due to acid reflux, which is very rare, but also a cause important by gastroesophageal reflux disorder. However, hoarseness does not go away after 2 weeks. নর্মালি সব কারণে কিছু হলে 2 সপ্তাহের মধ্যেই চলে যাওয়া উচিত। It could be a symptom. It could be a symptom of more serious condition if it lasts months after months. So, hoarseness. A speech and language therapist can also help sometimes. It may cause due to cold exposure, which is a very common cause due to laryngitis. So, hoarseness is a very important disease as a man communicates with other by talking. The talking is prohibited, husky. Now in homeopathy, if the disease is mainly functional, we have enough scope. If there is gross structural, suppose a tumor, a growth, a nodule in the vocal cord, we have also scope, but it takes time. This man's condition may be functional. There is no growth, nodule is found. So let's treatment by homeopathic medicines. In some cases, I have seen that the hoarseness started after prolonged singing or lecturing before polls. The political leaders used to lecture, used to give lectures on after another, 3 to 4 lectures in 3 to 4 meetings in a day. That is also controlled by our homeopathic medicine. Some of the important medicines are argentum metallicum, argentum nitricum, etc. I have seen hoarseness caused due to cold drinking taken at the evening after fasting in the Ramadan months in Muslims. I have seen many cases hoarseness developed because at the end of the fasting, many persons used to take a glass of cold drinks like sharbat, which caused disturbance in the vocal cord, and that was cured by me. Another cause is excessive use of bitter leaves, pan, because the what is called lime, which is taken with this bitter leaves chun. Excessive use of chun, this is alkali, and the alkali may be burned to the throat or larynx. So it may cause of a alkali burn. This gentleman used to take many bitter leaves or pan with jorda and limes, a kind of alkali. So it may be caused due to alkali burn. প্রচুর পান খেত লোকটা, তার জন্য এটা হতে পারে। So causticum is a great medicine for alkali burn, and there is no pathology, and it is painless. So every medicine in our homeopathy, many medicines has some contradictory symptoms. All the complaints aggravates from cold and damp, dalkamara, but the urticaria is relieved by cold application. The patient is very much chilly, arsenic alba, but the headache is relieved by cold application. The patient is very much chilly, silesia, but the stomach symptoms is relieved by cold application. So there are some contradictory symptoms like causticum, rawness and soreness sensation in different parts of the body, but in case of throat troubles, it is painless. This gentleman possessing painless sore throat, and if we go through the repertory, you see the hoarseness, many of our friends do not know where the hoarseness is found or to be seen. It is seen in the chapter Larynx and Trachea, the rubric Voice Hoarseness. So the chapter Larynx and Trachea, rubric Voice, and the sub-rubric Hoarseness. So hoarseness, painless, see there is causticum. Painful, there is no causticum. In painful, there is no causticum. Painless, there is causticum, calcarea carbophase. So this is a contradictory symptom of causticum. Generally, causticum presents all the symptoms are rawness and soreness, but in case of throat symptom, there is no rawness and soreness. Another symptom of causticum is the patient is chilly, শীত বেশি. Another symptom, desire for meat. So মাংস খেতে ভালোবাসে. Chilly patient is to some extent sympathetic and horseless. Is painless, and addiction of taking bitter leaves with taking lime, so it may be alkali burn. Considering all these points, I do like to prescribe causticum in 50 millisiemens scale of potencies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., thrice in a day, morning, noon, and evening. And let's see the result I shall share you about this case. Please remember this video number, my friends. So this is a challenging case in homeopathy. Once again, I have seen today morning hoarseness, painless, treated by allopathic physicians for last 4 months continuously without any relief, without any beneficiary result. And this patient is brought to me by Dr. Zakir Hossain, who is practicing at where? Murshidabad, Baharampur. Thank you, Dr. Zakir. And I do think you will also agree with me for selection of causticum. Do you think, Dr. Kaushik?
Yes, yes.
Causticum.
Correct.
So let's see the result. I shall share you, my friends.